Good evening, everyone. So, this time, Brother Rizky invite me to make a precision video. I don't know why he always invite me.
There are so many people in here, but you always accommodate. So thank you so much.
No.
Besides me,
I mean, if you want to make conversation video, you can choose other people, or you can make alone, make without conversation. You
I can make alone, but the problem are if I make alone, there is no question from somebody asking me. I don't know. I just so confused about that. So better I find my partner to get to asking me about the
But
question.
I think if you want to make alone, you can make a concept first or list, and after that you just write the
The
themes.
terms and I answer by myself.
You can explain about your
It is simple thing, the why I don't make like that.
why.
You know me, I'm lazy person. The answer is that.
So
So-
before we start our video
Yeah, we have to like
introduction or
introduction ourselves. So I'm so sorry, Mr. B. My video is a lot. I will send you because I always got punishment for you. I don't know why. Just my parents always same. I'm from the other class. So this is the last my video, and I don't make mistake again, and again. So
Okay.
because of we are the have done in BSC, right? If we are still
but you must remember 2 days
as that,
2 days later we will not 2 days later, 2 days later
that's such
we will
have a big event.
have a big event. If you
Start.
make mistakes again,
Hmm?
maybe tomorrow or in the last
No,
day,
I trust myself.
yeah.
Not speak bahasa again, because you know why? That's when I was in Mr. Sali class, and I don't think about suddenly if I gather with Mahe and Padil, they are so annoying for me, and I just what the hell? You speak bahasa, you speak Java, and Mr. Sali noticed me. What do you speak? And directly gave the punishment, something like that.
So
Oh yeah.
I'm Aldan from Darter class. I will accompany Brother Rizky
Again.
again and again. Maybe this is the fourth or fifth.
No, it's not be counting. We can counting about our conversation because much, bro, too much.
Too much, but
make with you.
especially from Mr. B. From Mr. B, you got punishment from Mr. B. How many times? How many times you got punishment from Mr. B?
So many, I cannot counting about that. But actually, I'm so happy if Mr. B gave me punishment. So happy. So the point is, Mr. B, attention me.
Our class.
It's okay. It's not louder.
So, why did you got punishment from Mr. B?
You know, bro, I want to
You
say.
can tell about your punishment. Why?
Actually, I'm so sad. You don't know about me, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Actually, I got the warning letter too. I just told you right now because actually I'm so. If you hear that, you feel like, what will you do, bro? This is the last. What will you? How can you get the punishment? because I just say to you yesterday like I just got the daddy from Mr. B, right?
Yes.
So to be honest, I will say like that. So better I said that.
So have you met with the others teachers?
Of course, haven't just Mr. B and Miss Fea and Mr. Fahmi. You know, I bring a small bag with a lot of book. You know, with what will I do?
You right?
Of course, I will
But
do about
hey,
grammar.
you must remember,
What is that?
based on the experience in the previous period, they got punishment in the last time,
Oh yeah, I
and
still
they
remember.
didn't make they didn't
collect.
do
Didn't do and
the
didn't collect.
punishment and didn't get the
Didn't get-
certificate.
So that's why I believe that I have to collect my all that is, you know, actually there are many there somebody got the coordinator 2 in my there were one in my class and they didn't collect, and I don't want to notice their name, especially my friend, until now they didn't collect. That's the thing. I just remember about that, and I will asking, bro, you have to collect your jati, because if you don't collect your jati you don't get the certificate. And they then just feel like, don't care lah, this is the last,
Yeah.
you know,
I think-
like Lana.
No, don't spill the. I think
Lana but have done to collect.
this is their business.
Yeah.
You must
And on that-
focus on your business, focus on yourself, and I just ask you about where and when did you get punishment?
Of course.
What did you say?
Do you remember when we do the last speaking test?
In the Saturday?
In the Saturday. So you said you get in the Mr. B,
Mr.
and
B.
there is a score,
Yes.
and my class is together with Mr. Sali, and I think there is no score, but I don't think so. Actually have, but Mr. Sali didn't notice the score like Mr. B was like. So it's different, I think.
Yeah.
So
So
what will I get? Yeah.
what did,
What did I get?
where and when did you get
Okay.
punishment, and what did you say?
And to be honest, when I gather with my friend Suli Mahi and my friend again, the memory is Rifkul.
So
I'm so sorry, sir.
just you got punishment?
Yeah, I'm so sorry, sir. Actually, I just, you know, when you don't around me and I gather with Mahi and Rifkul, I always spoke bahasa with they. And
Oh, you already spoke bahasa.
yeah, I spoke Java, and I bring my bahasa go in front of Mr. Sali, and when Mr. Sali given the ticket or maybe like cards,
Yeah, kan.
and you know my friends Rifkul like, I just want to hear, I want the first card, and I said like, this is my card cool with
But
Java.
Wow.
And Mr. Sali directly notice me. You know, in front of you, Bu, this teacher. Why do you spoke bahasa? How can you spoke bahasa in front of teacher? And directly Mr. Sali not directly gave the warning letter. And Mr. Sali said like that, bro, you know what will you do in front of me, and right now I didn't give back your cards, the pink cards,
Hmm.
and you have to go to Mr. Sali and telling your mistake.
Who say?
Mr. Sali directly said like that. and because I didn't get my card again anymore, I go to Mr. Sali and I, to be honest, said like, sir, I speak bahasa in front of Mr. Sali, and Mr. Fahmi directly get warning letter too, and
but
I feel
he didn't text in your group.
Didn't text just text me, and Mr. Fahmi text me in the group.
In your group
Directly after I said like speak bahasa, Mr. Sali and Mr. Fahmi gave me the warning letter too.
I mean, what a pity. This is the last time in BEC, and after that we will graduated from TC, but you got punishment.
From the
So
teacher.
every day we study in BSc, try to keep our English 24/7, and you always got punishment from Mr. B, but you do again.
So sorry, I was.
You always say I'm so sorry, I'm
Apologize.
so sorry, I promise,
Forgive
I promise,
me.
but the fact in the reality,
Actually,
just
because of
just
my
word.
bro. Because of my
This
I don't
is
know
just
why
word.
if I gather with both of them, might invite me to speak Java, and I always bring my bad habit go to somewhere, especially in front of Mr. Sali. So bro, so critical mistake like if you do like that,
Yeah.
this I very regret about it. So and I after that I go to Mr. B class and I said, sir, I got warning letter again, and please forgive me and give me the
So this video from Mr. B or
Mr. B. I will send to Mr. B. But this is a video warning letter punishment assignment from Mr. B. And Mr. B just tried like, okay, it is easy for you. Make a video 30 minutes with the last experience in this program, and what will you do after this? And if
Okay.
you interest about MS, what will you do in MS? And you can try MS.
I got the point. So directly we move to other topics. But
Give me the top. Or maybe your past experience in this.
no. Tell me about your experience in TC. I mean, maybe the during 1 month,
During
the
one
third month in TC.
in this program. Yeah, actually, I'm so tired and I'm so happy. But I'm so not only feel happy, but also feel tired as well, because we have a lot of many program in TC, right? And I do about business projects, and about the CEO is becoming to me, and I don't expect more to get 2 deals from our beautiful teacher. Handsome teacher is Mr. Ben, Mr. Budi. And now I just so happy as well, because my time is full actually full, and one time left like my grammar time, because I know like about the grammar. I just do strength by myself, do as strong as by myself, and yeah, that is my skill. Just until this.
What else? You just talk about the business project. What else programs in BEC or in TC?
So actually there are so many events like the before we face the farewell party. we have selection in event like dancing or maybe singing, and especially in basic class, right? And my class and your class, and you know, my class is becoming winner about
Yeah,
dance,
I know.
and others class like black class becoming winner to be a singing. Actually, if I, you know, my dance is so bad, right?
Not bad, but you, I think, your
Our performance, yeah.
your performance is
It's good. Nah,
beautiful.
but you know, look at the Canary. They show efforts, carried the marks, a big marks like Jaranan Culture in here, and they ran the custom, the custom. And suddenly my class is becoming winner. I don't know why.
But honestly, if I as a jury,
Of course.
I'm confused to choose who the winner in the dancing
Oh yeah,
dancing
okay.
performance
Performance.
between Canary
Or maybe Flamingo.
Flamingo. But if our teachers choose Canary, it's okay.
Yes, it's
And
good.
i-
Yeah.
If our teacher choose Flamingo, yeah, I agree because their perform is same,
Same good, yeah.
yeah. So it's make us to confuse who the winner.
For the winner, but that event. Yeah, and we don't
Just-
think too much.
Just two agenda. First business project and then dancing.
Oh,
Others. What
dancing.
else?
There are so many, yeah. Actually, like
Yeah, you can tell all of your agenda.
so.
Sure.
Actually, you know, when we were last gathered in speaking class, and Mr. B and Mr. Buti standing in front, and if you want to tell thoughts about something that you want, you
Your
can,
experience,
yeah,
yeah.
come forwards, or maybe like you will give the conclusion about the speaking program. I want to say like
You did or no?
no, because I will say in this
Yeah, you can say.
these videos. So actually I want to did in front of, but the time is not enough. Suddenly Mr. B like closing the our class, and Mr. B and Mr. Budi just say thank you so much, becoming to my teacher, becoming to my student, becoming to my friends, and becoming to BEC to study in here. Actually, I want to give conclusion about, you know, when we were doing about drama project. Actually, can be better if we make a event, you know, like my class with your class, or maybe one day one event, two class will be gathered together, and we can know about who will be the winner, who will be a best performances, like we like we will be like
Oh yeah.
like that, something like that.
And
Ya, gimana bos?
this is just the suggestion from you.
Yeah, because we have to like make two classes together, and we can be crowded, you know. Nah, we will be crowded about the class. And once again, my conclusion from Mr. B and Mr. Buti, when
What? You can explain.
forgot about it. Oh, about the, you know, Mr. B and Mr. Budi have done to give us about the killing two bit, what the name?
Idiom.
Idiom. We just get 5 idiom, right? 24/7, killing two birds with one stone, the lightning.
Yeah, yeah.
Something like that. Nah, actually I'm so interested about the idiom. If the teacher just gave 5 or maybe more, a little bit, it is still left. We have still left. So that's why I need more idiom the teacher gave for us. Because
think-
if you speak with idiom, so cool, right?
I think
Nah,
this is our duty. We can look for idioms in the other idioms in the YouTube, maybe on in the internet.
ah,
So
yeah, I agree.
you
with
are
that.
not, you are the matter person. Our teacher just give the example of idioms, but you can do by
Yeah,
yourself.
if I more
to
need idiom,
find the others.
yeah, I will look for
Idiom.
the Google or maybe something like that, right? No, if I look the idiom by myself, actually can be like you cannot remember about it because you never use it.
Oh, no.
Really, because if the teacher gave the idiom, the teacher will be like, you have to make a sentence, you have to use in this class with me. This so far I use, we can keep in our brain to use again. That's the beautiful moment to keep our idiom from the
Yeah,
teacher.
I know. So it means that if we graduate from here and we will not got learn from our teacher. So we cannot grow up outside.
Of course can, bro. I believe.
So that's why we know about the method
Oh yeah.
to study English.
We
We know.
the pattern, like.
Yeah, the pattern or the idioms. If someone tell about idioms, we know. So I can find the others idioms by myself, not tell or ask in our teacher, call our teacher.
Sir, I need
Sir,
more idiom.
No. We needn't.
Oh, more idiom, right?
Yeah, we needn't ask our teacher. We can
Yeah,
find.
by my ourselves to know about the idiom. We know about the method, the pattern, about the formula. So we will use it later if you need more. Because if somebody speak with idiom, it's so cool, right?
But depends on the partner. If our partner
Yeah, don't understand is
don't
totally
understand, it's
wrong.
totally
yeah.
wrong.
I know that.
But if you want to speak with native, foreigner, I'm sorry, native,
Yeah. All that people like
or foreigner, you can do it. And I think
they can understand.
you can look the station.
Understand first.
Depends on the station. If you want to use idioms,
But based on my experience, when I was taking in another place, like other place, not this course, everybody always speak with idiom. It is, I feel like so cool because even I don't know, yeah, but they speak so cool, like the rhyme, cats and dogs. I just think about who could the rhyme there is cats and dog, and in the fact the rhyme is heavy run,
I
heavy.
know about the idioms.
It's still so cool.
And thank you very much for your explain, for your experience during in the last session or in the last month in the TC program. Now we will graduate it from BC. What will you do in the, or what will your plan
Plan after this, yeah.
after graduated from BC? You will be a teacher or enter in a
University.
university or directly looking for a job here, or maybe yeah, you can explain about that.
Your question is so deep, bro. Actually, I just
Because
sorry.
this time to work, this time to
Yeah, because
continue our life.
I know that actually I'm so happy because I grow in this village of English, and I looking for a job. If I looking for a job, it is easy. If I want to easy, if I want to a be teacher, because this place is so many course, so many places, and someone needs a B student. Look for Rosie.
I'm confused with your answer. You
Why
say
not, bro?
this is easy to.
Day by day we are grow. Time by
Yeah,
time
you know,
we are
but-
know about vocabularies.
Looking for job here is very tough. I think.
Yeah,
I think
very crucial, right?
very crucial. Everyone or the previous period, they try to
Looking for a job to be a teacher.
yeah here in the other course. In the fact, there are so many courses here, but when they try to looking for job here, they didn't get job.
Just get nothing.
Nothing. It's mean that it's not easy to getting.
Yeah, I know. But
Maybe because you are the native and
Yeah.
you have inside people, maybe
Yeah, lots
inside
of-
person here, so it's mean easy to
yeah, of course, still
Get
a
a
little
job.
easy because I feel useless if I live in here, stay in here more than or maybe sick until 1 years, and I don't know anything about grammar, about
and you
Speaking.
you don't practice your
Yeah.
English.
That's my English. I'm so confused. Why I live in this place and don't know about English, and one day I feel regret about it because when and our English actually becoming a good right now about this place.
I ever hear the sentence, if you don't practice your English here and you are the students, you can go back to your hometown.
Of course,
You
bro.
can go back to your home.
That's totally correct. I always said to my friend, bro, you learn in this place with in TC program, and you have to speak English every single day, 24/7 every day, and many places, and they don't want to speak English, just want to speak if in the class or be with teacher, and I just want to say like that, bro, when you want to grow up, if you still believe that your rules, if you have your friend needs your practice your English, it's okay, can do it about that.
So don't think about the mistakes.
Yeah, don't think about the grammar, don't think about you cannot speak fluency, something like that. Just do it and practice, and your English becoming a good after that. Because we believe that to increase our English, we need practice, right?
To grow up,
To grow up to
to be
increase,
better,
to be better, we need practice. Even though,
speak well,
yeah,
you must practice. Practice every day. Practice is the
Every
key.
and I just want to say to you, if you go back in your hometown and you still like in your home and there is no partner in there, you have to always keep your English, or maybe you open your phone, join live in the others application like TikTok, you have to do it. So actually you are so lucky because you live in your place with so many foreigner, right? And
Yeah.
sometimes the foreigner is becoming to your hometown, and you
Not
will
sometimes, every day.
every day,
Every single
because
day.
your place is so many foreigner.
foreigner.
Yeah, go to there to look for
And
the.
even they stay or not stay, live in my hometown. They buy the land here there, and
Oh, they live there.
yeah, some people, there are little people live there. So we can close our conversation, and maybe
So
you,
long, bro.
before you close our conversation today, you can make conclusion or make suggestion to to me or for BSC, Mr. B, or the others.
Okay, the firstly I want to say thank you so much to our this beautiful place, basic English course. Because of basic English course, I know about English, I know about the listen, I know about grammar. Even though a little bit is totally fine, and I'm so happy. Around of me is becoming a good friends. Always invite me to speak English, especially you. And thank you so much, brother. I'm so sad if 2 days later you will go back in your hometown, right?
Yes.
And I don't know where is my partner after that if you go back. And actually there are so many friends in here, but they don't like interest about practice English. I just usually practice with you. If you make a video, I always joining with your videos. That's so make me like practice every single day with you. Even though we just talking about something not important, it's totally fine. So about my teacher, Mr. Budi and Mr. B, so thanks so much. You are will be I will remember in my brain about you are. I know about how the way to speak fluency, how the way to use some of the idiom and the patterns. So one day I will go to this course again to continue my study, of course, because I'm not for it. So
You
thank you
will-
so much.
You will repeat or continue.
Now I will continue the last program that's namely is a mastering system. I need more about English. What is English? English is easy, but how the way to use, how the way to practice is so difficult. So thank you so much, and the last we say, Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sorry, brother.